Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be taking apart the CR125 engine. So far it is a total mess. Super dirty, and looks like they used, let's see if that gets in focus, looks like some gasket sealer on the cylinder. So it's a great sign. Perfect engine for me to do my stuff to, I guess. So yeah, I'm excited to do this build, and I think it's going to turn out really well. So let's get into it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that little edit I made of the engine beforehand. So now I'm actually going to start taking it apart, so let's get to it. And I'm actually pretty surprised. This is actually pretty clean. I expected it to be pretty damaged, since this thing sounds terrible, so when it's running at least. So let's see if there's any other hidden damage. So I'm actually kind of impressed. This thing really actually looks pretty good. It's got a little bit of scoring at the top, but other than that, it looks pretty damn good. So it's weird. We'll have to find out what the noise is coming from. I'm guessing it's the crank, but we'll find out here soon. got the case splitter off the tusk. This thing looks great. It just presses apart the pieces, like the other things. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, so we got the cases apart here. Actually, everything came out on the side I didn't want it to, but that's my fault. Just getting used to this new stand here. So, yeah. What the? Looks like this crank has been welded on. It's weird. I have not seen that before. Maybe that's normal on these 125s. I haven't done one before, but that looks bizarre. So you can see that very well. Oh, look at that, that's weird. Alright, so we're gonna pull the rest of this stuff out. Alright, so I already got these bearings out. The hammer drill makes it super easy to do. You just lightly tap it, you don't damage anything. So, yep, that's the video. I'm going to be removing the rest of the seals and bearings here with it. But as you can see, they come right out. No scratches or anything, so no damage in there. So, yeah, thanks for watching.